What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. Today, we are going to be talking about Bitcoin. So it's going to be a really powerful video. Everybody wants to know what's happening with the short term on Bitcoin. Are we going to break out? Are we going to break down? What's going on with Bitcoin? So we're talking about that today. Also, you guys, if you're not a subscriber to this channel, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. I genuinely appreciate that. Also, you guys, there is a lot of exciting stuff going on in the crypto space right now. So make sure that you join the Discord. Links are in the description below. It's completely free, where I post regular updates and things for you guys associated with crypto in there. So without further ado, let's get started on today's video. Okay, Bitcoin. What is going on with Bitcoin? Like I said, everybody wants to know what is going to happen with Bitcoin. So let's talk about the short term right here on the 1 hour time frame. You guys, this hourly time frame here is going to be pretty important for the short term time price action. What's going to happen in the next little while with Bitcoin. And as you guys can see, we do have a triangle pattern with Bitcoin right here. So there's kind of a question as to whether it's going to break bullish or whether it's going to break bearish out of this triangle pattern. Now, if this breaks bearish, obviously we're going to fail support of 15,600 on Bitcoin and go lower. And of course, if that level fails, the bears are going to be very, very happy. But if we start to break out here, then Bitcoin can easily go back to the $18,000 level. So here on the hourly, we definitely either have a continuation pattern to continue down lower, or this could easily be a reversal as well. So we just have to watch and see what happens. We do have support on Bitcoin on the daily. So yeah, the short term really depends on this triangle pattern. We'll see whether the support level holds or whether the resistance level breaks out. Either way, this is definitely an opportunity in the short term. So keep an eye on this triangle pattern, whether we get continuation lower or whether we get a reversal here on Bitcoin. So yeah, the smaller time frame really depends on that triangle pattern. We'll keep an eye on that. But in the bigger time frame, you guys can see we do have support right here on Bitcoin. We have a support level being tested as we speak, and we have another support level down here on Bitcoin as well. So these would be the two major support levels in the short term. Obviously, like I said, if we start to break bullish in the short term, then this support level of 16,400 is holding strong. And if we reclaim the level of 21,000, that would be quite bullish. However, if 16,300 fails, it would not shock me at all to see 12,900 here tested on Bitcoin. So that's kind of my view there on the short term with the hourly, as well as what's going on here in the larger time frames on support and resistance. But as a whole, you guys, we have gone through a huge correction here on Bitcoin. And just like Warren Buffett, how Warren Buffett says, buy blood in the streets. You want to buy fear. Buy when people are scared. Bitcoin is very low right now. People are scared. So personally, I'm putting money in. I'm buying Dogecoin. I'm putting money into these markets because I'm personally willing to risk putting money in down here and take advantage of the opportunity. I'd rather take advantage of the opportunity than try to avert any potential risk of investing. To be honest with you, you guys, I am 25 years old and I have everything in the world to gain and nothing to lose. So for me, I see this market as opportunity, especially at 16,000 per coin down here. This is really undervalued per Bitcoin. And in the big picture, a reversal can easily happen at any point. And once it does, anybody that was wise enough to position themselves in the dip when everybody's scared is going to profit significantly after. They're going to make a ton of money on the bull market. They're going to be really glad they did. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing. Like I said, everything in the world to gain and nothing to lose. So 16,000 per coin is a great time to be buying Bitcoin, in my opinion. This isn't financial advice. This is my trading journal, but this is where I am personally putting money into Bitcoin. So yeah, you guys, I love this chart. I love the big picture on Bitcoin. I love the patterns that we're seeing. If we go even one more chart out, let's go to like the 15-day candlesticks. So yeah, you guys, here on the 15-day time frame, you can see the Bitcoin down here at 16,000 per coin versus Bitcoin up here at like 100,000 per coin. We're really undervalued right now. And anybody that is getting entries down here, this is really a perfect entry. Sometimes you're going to be holding a coin. You'll watch one coin go up 300%, and you'll be like, man, my coin hasn't mooned yet. But you just keep holding that coin, and the next thing you know, your coin is up 45 times in value. And that coin that everybody was FOMO buying, those people are left in the dust, and your coin is in profit. So sometimes it really pays off to just get a good entry and hold, even if you're watching some coins run off in value and you're like, just stick to your position. Because if you've got a good entry and you know this coin is going to go 45 times in value or whatever, just be patient, because like I said, 16,000 per Bitcoin, that's a great entry. And in the future, it can be worth 100,000. It could be worth 250,000 per Bitcoin. So really just having that psychology of looking for opportunity and then holding true to it, even if you see some coins run away, up 100% in the short term, that is going to reward you the best. Buy the dip, have a good entry, stick to your position, and you'll be glad that you did. These markets are going to provide opportunity after opportunity. One thing I've learned since I got into these markets in 2015 is that instead of me just saying, oh man, I wish I would have put more money in on Bitcoin in 2015, like I could say that Bitcoin was worth $180. I could go say, Dallin, why didn't you put money in 2015, more money, right? I could have that mindset, but instead what I've noticed is that these markets actually keep providing opportunity. So what I've actually seen is I've seen 3 or 4 different coins since 2015 that was exactly like if I would have bought Bitcoin at $180 in 2015. And so these markets just keep providing opportunity. If you have a psychology of opportunity, it doesn't matter if, you got in Bitcoin in 2015, you could have put more in at $180. Well, guess what? Buying Dogecoin right now is a lot like buying Bitcoin back there at 2015. So take advantage of these opportunities, of these good entries, buy the dip, and hold true to your big picture targets. Keep your eyes on the prize. And the prize with Bitcoin is over 100,000 per coin. So it's kind of like, you guys, it's worth 16,000 right now. Get a good entry and hold on. You're going to be glad that you did. You're going to make money. Like I said, this is not financial advice. This is my trading journal. But just look at this market from a logical, well-grounded perspective. Instead of from a perspective of fear, look at it from a perspective of opportunity. And when you look at it through that lens, you'll see things clearly. So yeah, you guys, thank you for tuning in today. I love you. I appreciate you. The short term on Bitcoin, like I said, watch that triangle. In the big picture, let's watch for 100K. Any entry at 16,000 per coin is going to be a really good entry on Bitcoin. And if the short term does drop lower, buy more. You guys, Bitcoin is not going to go to $0. And taking advantage of fear is really what's going to reward you in this market. Join inside the VIP today or the mastermind. And yeah, the VIP is that place where you can go ahead and start making money off my entries and see why we buy stuff when we do. And the mastermind, you can start making money off the entries and tune into live sessions. So it's kind of got both of them on top in one. But really, they're both just designed to help you guys make money, to help you spot good entries, to help give you guys the tools and resources you need to have the right psychology in the market and optimize your profits in crypto. So that's really why I made them. So yeah, join either the VIP or the mastermind today. Super simple. Send me an email or reply in the description. We'll get you guys set up today. But yeah, I love you guys. Thank you for tuning in. Share this video with your friends. And as always, stay profitable out there.